Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, May 5th. This is David and let's dig in. We are talking about the NASDAQ here tonight. A lot of you have said, hey, you often primarily focus on the S&P 500. I trade the NASDAQ. What can we do? So let's take a look at the NASDAQ voodoo lines, right? The most important of the voodoo line levels is going to be this voodoo fire line down here at 18,512. And with the market above that important level, there is a reasonably good bullish case to be made. You'll remember that we talked in Friday's free video about the Zweig breadth thrust that could potentially send this market up longer term, but also being at some short-term overbought levels that could be difficult to get through. Well, there's a lot in this area beyond just being potentially overbought. And kind of right around here, we want to pay some real attention to what goes on. Not only do we have this voodoo snow line, the third most important of the voodoo line levels here at 20,089, but pretty much at the exact same spot is this 61.8% retrace to this move down from the all-time high into the early April lows. So if we were going to turn back down, this would be a convenient spot to do it. Furthermore, if we look inside the move up from that April low, look at this first leg up and then this second leg up, it would be symmetric to the first leg, just a little above that level, up at 2284. And so clearing that symmetry level would also be bullish and would also carry price above that 61.8 retrace, above that voodoo snow line. So, above that symmetry level, I'm going to sort of treat that as an all clear so long as we subsequently stay above that voodoo snow line level. Meanwhile, right in here, below that snow line level from a voodoo line roadmap perspective leaves this market susceptible to coming back down for a consequential retest of that fire line. Dipping below it would be problematic for bulls, but frankly, I think just getting back into Wednesday's range, which topped out near this skyline here at 19,465, breaking that skyline would be showing that that the NAS is intent on trying to push lower from this snow line, and I would view that as a very strong warning that it wasn't immediately heading up. So so a lot in here from the NAS as well, and these are, of course, the levels I'll be watching for near-term clues at a spot that I think is pretty consequential. I think we are likely to see the decision about the next move made here. And so while I don't want to initiate any trades right now, for some of the same reasons we talked about on Friday, I am looking for those clues before committing more capital to this market. I hope you found that useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.